like this. This pneumatic piston and cylinder system will attach to this longer one, and this longer one is attached to the shorter one, and this is attached to the main leg of the landing gear. We have made this torsion link. This is completed, and today we are going to make these drag struts, drag strut 1 and drag strut 2. Here it is placed like this in the assembly, and this is its shape here, this one and this one. Today we are covering two components of the landing gear side by side, as both are similar in shape, just a little bit addition in the drag strut one, and, and length is different, but as we know, all the lengths and dimension would be dependent upon the requirements and the other parts of the landing gear. Okay, so let's start constructing these or designing these two parts. Create new. From here, start to part design. It will open, and a part would be a body. Part means a body, and for a body we need a sketch to create. So here is body, and that body needs a sketch. This is top plane. I will take, why is that plane? That is front plane, I guess. Okay, here we go. We are going to make first drag strut 1. Okay, for that I am taking this vertical line 1 and 2. Okay, making them vertical, both of them. This is vertical, vertical, making both of them equal. Okay, now let's give dimension to one of these. Making drag strut 1, it would be longer. Let it be 100 mm. We don't know any dimensions, so sorry, this is equal sign. That was parallel. Making equal, both goes side by side. Goes out of the screen. I am zoomed to fit. Here it is fitted. Okay, now we need this as symmetry. So this distance would be vertical distance, that is 50 mm. Similarly for this one also, vertical distance, that would be 50 mm. Now again zoom to fit. There we go. I am taking this dimension a bit away so that we can see it clearly. Okay, now I have to make this horizontal distance also. Horizontal distance between these 2 points, showing 5, let it be 10. Okay, and this would be 5. Now it is fully defined and constrained. No extra dimensions are required now. What else we need? A curve here and a curve here with holes. So taking an arc, this would be center, joining this with this. Okay, making horizontal with center to be 0 and shit, sorry, giving it radius or 5 mm. Okay, now only making these 2 points coincide this point and this point. Similarly, this point and this point and this point. Okay, and then make a tangent to this and this. If it is not going to meet, I will trim it. Trim and select this. Okay, fine. Done. I can use the mirror command here to mirror this one downstream. Okay, but now I am making I am following the same procedure of the arcs. So making an arc here, joining this point and this point. Okay, its horizontal distance would be 0. Okay, this point and this point must be coincide. I'm unable to select them. Move it a bit. Coinciding this point with this and making tangent at this. Okay, now giving radius to the arc, that is 5 mm. Okay, need not to give that. Let's make these points coincide. Okay, now it is movable, so making it and this with tangent completed. Whole fit. This one is completed, but now here we need an extra that would join to the pneumatic cylinder and piston system. Here's a rod which we will make here only, like this and this. Okay, now this point on the arc and this point also on the arc, making these two parallel to each other. Okay, I can trim now this part. Okay, here I will make an arc again, making these tangents. Similarly, this one and this one tangent, joining these 2 points together. Taking this distance, let it be 15. Okay, Now still it is moving. Okay, so I will first fix these 2 points together. Making this. Let me check what happened here. Why it is this one also I will like to give as distance of 50 mm. Now I'm making that one again. Making these two parallel. Okay, I'm making an arc here, joining these two. So I get make these tangents. Okay, and this one also. Now joining these endpoints together and these endpoints done. Now we're giving this distance. Let it be only. Okay, and its radius be 4 mm. These two here and this one, and with this one. Okay, now making a circle here with this. I'm making here so that I can join these centers. Okay, giving its radius to be, let it be 2 mm. Okay. Again I have to make a circle here. Sorry, that was dimension. Circle, fixing its center with the center of the arc. Okay, giving its radius to be the, let it be 3 mm. So to fit here again, we need a circle for the hole, making a bit away so that I can make them coincide. Its center and this arc center coincide. Radius of the circle that was 3 mm. Fine. We are all done. Just this extra arc is left to remove. Why not we first give a vertical or horizontal dimensions to these? Let it be 11 only, and a horizontal dimension. It, sorry, I have to change to vertical dimension. Okay, now it is fixed and fully defined. Now I can remove this extra part of the length here. It is left. Let me give this dimension again. 11 and this one. Okay, zoom to fit. Fix these two with vertical dimension 50. Let me choose this one and this one and vertical dimension be 50. Let me join these points then. Something would work. Yeah, it worked. Now zoom to fit. what happening here. No, why is this here? Let me delete this sketch first. We'll make it again. I don't know why this is not working properly. This body, sketch, and the same plane. Making this one and this one. Now making these two equal. Giving dimension to one of them. Making them vertical. Okay. And now giving horizontal dimension to these 2 points. Let it be 10. Okay. Making an arc here to here. Okay, making tangents this and this, with this, and this, with this. Okay, now I'm giving radius to this like 5 mm. Not to. Now still it is moving. So joining these two endpoints and these two endpoints. Okay, I'm not giving a free constraint here because we don't have exact dimensions to give a to make a fully constrained diagram. Here making another tangents to each other, this arc and this arc. Similarly, this arc and this arc, we can say it is movable. So making these two endpoints join, and I'm done. Sorry, one thing which we need is one more thing we need, that is the circles here which are going to be cut out, joining these two. Okay, and radius of this circle, let it be 3. Here also another circle. Okay, joining these centers, and radius of the circle be done. Close. Here we will pad it to 10 mm. Okay, broken faces it is showing. We have to check out which face is broken. Oh, it is showing. It is showing the close figure. Let me check here on here whether it is joined or not. Yeah, here it is. These two endpoints should be joined. Okay, now it is fine. I can pad it now up to 10 mm. Okay, where it has gone. Here it is. We are seeing it from top view, so here it is. Now on this face, I will sketch a rectangle here just to reduce weight of the component. I don't need much, and we don't have any dimensions, so I am making a rough rectangle here only. Okay, let's make them equal. So here they are, and they are all equal. Close it and pocket this up like this. Okay, here we have the extract 2 we got. Okay, this is how the extract 2 is. Just Control S and drag strut strut 2. Okay, now we'll make another For that, from here, create empty document, part design, body, sketch. Here we go with drag strut 1. Second we have done, and one we are going to do. Let's make it with a line. Here, from here to here, here, another one, drag here, this one like this. Okay, now I am giving some dimensions to this. Let it 100 only again. Let it be 50. Now I will make them coincide, and this point's horizontal vertical would be 0. Now I can join these 2 points end to end, making them vertical. This one also vertical, and this one also vertical. Now I can make it zoom to fit. Here it is. Okay, making its dimension from vertical dimension from center be 50. By mistake I have came out of this picture. This is 100. This is 0. This is 50. And this is 50. Okay. Let it be 10 mm, so it would be this from this vertical distance would be 40. Okay, and this to this would be making it coincide. So it would be 50 only, like this. Now making this one is also vertical line. Already exists, sorry. I have these are parallel to each other. Let's give some angle to this. Let's make this distance fix. A distance of 10 mm. Okay. Similarly here, distance of 10 mm. Fine. Now we can increase its length. Make an arc here. Here to here. Now I will make first endpoint join this and this with this and this uh, it is difficult to choose take. Yeah, now I will make them tangent to each other like this and like this. Now here I can give radius to this arc. Let it be 3 only. Making a circle here which we are need to cut out and coinciding these 2 points, giving radius of the circle. Let it be 2 mm. It would be fine enough for us. Here again we need an arc like this. Okay, joining endpoints first. This point and this point, this point and this point with this point, making them tangents. Okay, this with this, making a circle here. Okay, coinciding their centers like this, giving its radius. Let it be 3 only. Now what else? Here also a arc like this. Okay, making endpoints join first, then giving them tangent like this arc with this line and again with this line. Done, making a circle there. I know it is not symmetrical or fully defined figure because we don't have all the dimensions like what angle that should have. I am unable to. Okay, joined here, then close. Now I will pad it. We can say it like in isometric view, fit, zoom to fit like this. And here we got what we need. Okay, let it be 10 only. Again on this face, I'm going to sketch. What will I sketch? 2 rectangles, just like it. And another one, just like it. Okay, we don't need any dimensions because we don't have any dimension basically. Now pad it, increase. Okay, here we got drag strut 1 which look like similar to this one. We have this one and this one. We have made both of them. We can see this one and here is it, this one. Okay, these two are going to connect with with the one with this pneumatic cylinder and piston system and other one with the main main cylinder of the landing gear, and we have made both of them. Now Control S to save it, naming it drag strut strut true. Okay, I guess it is registered one now, but by mistake I have given two. We have done with this. That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.